How to create a Binance Web3 wallet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Web3 wallet on Binance. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Binance account and you need to sign into your account. And before creating a Web3 wallet, you need to make sure that your account has been verified. If your account has not been verified, you will not be able to create a Web3 wallet on Binance. So first of all, you got to create an account and verify that, and then you got to simply click on assets at the bottom right once you log into the account. And here you'll be able to see two options at the top, exchange and wallet. So you're going to click on wallet, and once you do so, you'll be taken to Binance wallet. So it doesn't really matter whether you're using the Binance lighter version or pro version, the steps are the same and the options are the same. So here, if you have not created a wallet already, you'll be able to see two options. One would be create wallet and the other would be import wallet. So if you wish to create a new wallet from scratch, you're going to simply click on create wallet. And once you do so, it would say, do you want to allow Binance to use Face ID? If your device has fingerprint, then it will ask for you to enable fingerprint. So I'm going to click on allow, and then it's going to verify using the Face ID, and it would say creating wallet. So just wait for it to get loaded. And once it's done, you'll be able to see that your wallet has been created and you'll be redirected to another interface. So once you've done that, you'll be asked to complete two verifications again. One is authenticator app and the other is email. So you got to do that. Simply click on it and type down your verification code for your Google or Binance authenticator. After doing the authenticator app verification, you're going to do the email one. And now you'll be able to see a notification that says wallet created, and your wallet has successfully been created. And you can see that you can simply click on my wallet over here, and here you can simply click on manage, and you can simply click on this pencil icon over here. You can customize your wallet completely. You can change your wallet name. You can change the avatar. You can select any of the avatar from here. You can, just select any you like and then simply click on save. So that is basically how you can create Binance Web3 wallet. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.